Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Today I'm going to be doing a quick nail video for you. I just wanted to share with you some really cute nails that I picked up at the pharmacy this weekend. And these are the Jess Conte, and I think I'm pronouncing that right, Jess Conte imPRESS limited edition. And these are so cute. They're like a pink, almost like a sheer pink, and the little accent nail has polka dots. I'm not sure if you can see that, but they're so cute, so pretty. These are the imPRESS pre-glued nails, and they couldn't be easier to put on. My nails, I took off the ones that I had on from my last video, the white nails with the pretty accent nail. Those imPRESS nails, the basic imPRESS, they lasted me definitely over a week. I did have to glue on one here or there, which was no problem at all. They still looked good. I finally had to take them off. I just felt like it was time to take them off. I really could have continued to use them. I went to a 60th birthday party this past Saturday, which today's Monday, so that was a couple days ago. But I had those same nails on from over a week ago, and I didn't even have to change them. They still looked really, really good. So I love these imPRESS nails. And I went into my local CVS this weekend just to pop in to see what they had for the new imPRESS nails, and I found these. And so I'm just going to give my nails a little bit of a file, wipe them down with the pad that comes with the nails, and then I'm gonna put these on and we'll see what they look like.
That's something, baby, that I can go without, just like a poison in me. You're all that I'm about. Loving the highs, don't mind the lows. It's getting out of my control. I want that something, baby, 'cause I can go without. Mama used to tell me love ain't right if it ain't easy, but I'm in too deep to walk away from you. Papa used to tell me should never drive you crazy, but I lose my mind if you don't get his suit. I'm addicted to your love, to your love, your love. I'm never gonna get enough. I'm a sucker for your love, for your love, your love. I'm never gonna get enough. You can end it, say it's over, but I'm never going sober. I'm addicted to your love, to your love, your love. I'm never gonna get enough of your love. I want your love. I need your love, 'cause I'm never gonna get enough. Can't say I'm hurting, baby, but I don't feel too good. It's like I'm burning lately when you're not in my blood. Loving the highs, don't mind the lows. It's getting out of my control. I need your loving, baby. It's all I'm thinking of. Mama used to tell me love ain't right if it ain't easy, but I'm in too deep to walk away from you. Papa used to tell me love should never drive you crazy, but I lose my mind if you don't get his suit. I'm addicted to your love, to your love, your love. I'm never gonna get enough. I'm a sucker for your love, for your love, your love. I'm never gonna get enough. You can end it, say it's over, but I'm never going sober. I'm addicted to your love, to your love, your love. I'm never gonna get enough of your love. I want your love. I need your love, 'cause I'm never gonna get enough of your love. I want your love. I need your love, 'cause I'm never gonna get enough. Mama used to tell me love ain't right if it ain't easy, but I'm in too deep to walk away from you. Papa used to tell me love should never drive you crazy, but I lose my mind if you don't get his suit. I'm addicted to your love, to your love, your love. I'm never gonna get enough. I'm a sucker for your love, for your love, your love. I'm never gonna get enough.
All right, guys, so this is a beautiful, very sweet, very pretty. See the polka dots? I hope you can see them. This is a very pretty, feminine, just really sweet little manicure. I really like these nails. I think that they're awesome for summertime. They're awesome for any time, really. But these are a limited edition. So if you want to see if they have these in your local CVS, get out there soon. I know this was the only set in my CVS. It doesn't have a name. It just has, you know, that this is the Jess Conte. I think that's how you pronounce it. That's how you pronounce that name in my neck of the woods. So, but maybe it's not Conte, but you can see the spelling. And yeah, these are so cute. They're nice and short. They're nice, and they're almost like sheer, but they have a very subtle pink, which it's a very pretty pink. And I am going to enjoy these. This little polka dot is not, you know, blaring in your face. You really have to kind of look, and then you see it, and I think it's really, really nice. This manicure was done in under 10 minutes. This, the cost of this I think was about $9, probably a little bit more than your average cost, just because it's a limited edition. And this girl is probably, I think I saw something on the website that maybe she's a YouTuber, I'm not sure, but she's an influencer of some kind. And anyway, I just like the nails. I'm not buying it for the person who is featured for these, but I just think that they are just really sweet and really pretty. So I hope you've liked this video, guys. I hope that you enjoy that color and it inspires you to either go out to the website and pick them up, or stop into your local pharmacy, your Walgreens, your CVS, Target, because they're always stocking new nails. And so, yeah, I do have like a bunch of new nails that I haven't really had an opportunity to use yet. I have some really pretty ones that I'll be doing over the next, every time I change my nails, I'm gonna do another video for you. You seem to like the nail videos, so hopefully they're not getting boring or run-of-the-mill. So let me know in the comments if you want me to keep doing these nail videos, and I definitely will share with you every time I change my nails. So anyway, guys, thanks again for stopping by. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope that you will consider subscribing. I hope that you will hit that like button, and I hope that you will come back. So take care, everybody. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.